There are 4 key elements to the Innovate approach: open, explore, discover and engage. Open, well, that's at the heart of everything, and that's all around the mindset needed for career success. We're talking about creativity and creative thinking here. The open-mindedness, open-heartedness to see the world in different ways, to try different things and to not just see within closed defined lines. It's all about being a creative enabler, being open-minded and able to listen and learn from others too, so that you can see the world as the rich place it is. The second, well, that was explore. And explore is all about being an opportunity hunter, dynamic, looking, scanning, exploring all the time, not just when big career changes happen, but being aware of your surroundings, be aware of opportunities within the environment you're working with at the moment, or the bigger picture stuff out there in the big wide world. And then there's discover. Discover is all about shining a spotlight on you. It's about you and what you bring to different situations, scenarios, your skills, your capabilities, and what it is that you bring, the value you bring. It's all about being a value creator for yourself and for others. And then there's engage, and that is all about bringing together you with other people. That communication, that engagement, it's about being a trust builder. It's about demonstrating your value and helping people understand you and trust in you, and helping and demonstrating to them that you're going to add value for them too. It's about realizing that communication is a rich and powerful thing. All of this helps you to become and stay a dynamic, empowered career adventurer as you move forward with your career adventure into the future. You too can benefit from the Innovate approach by joining us at the Re-energizing Your Career Hub today. See you there.